Today I am going to discuss briefly about some popular books in quantum physics. As you already know, quantum physics is a very interesting subject. It is a very beautiful subject also. It helps you to understand the nature, the deeper aspect of the nature, particularly the atomic physics, subatomic particles, molecular physics, nuclear physics, etc. You can't understand this atomic world, molecular world without quantum mechanics. But it is not to be misunderstood that quantum mechanics only works in this atomic and nuclear physics only, or in this aspect only. It is not like that. It can work even in the black hole. You must be heard about the Stephen Hawking radiation. Using the quantum concept, radiation, Hawking was able to predict that some radiations must radiate out from the black hole. So this theory was developed by the help of relativity and mixed with the quantum physics with a lot of mathematics and interpretation. You must be heard about that actually. So without wasting some time, we are just going to introduce you about some particular books. There are so many books of quantum mechanics in market, but we will discuss about those books that are well written according to your syllabus, that has simple language and is also you can say it is not a very much costly. Okay, so the first book, it is not by the ranking, it is the first, second, it is not by the ranking. We are just introducing whatever the taste you love or you just favor, you can purchase that, not from the market. Introduction to Quantum Mechanics by the David J. Griffith. Griffith, writer, is very well known for writing the complicated subjects even in a very simple manner, in a very descriptive and in a very interactive manner. You must be heard about that author in the quantum mechanics or in another subject also. You must be heard about that Griffith. Which book? Electrodynamics. Okay. Another book is our famous author of India, quantum physics, It's your man. He's a very famous author. He's very famous. Very famous. His writing skill, you can say, it's a masterpiece actually. So this book is also in the market. This is for the higher study, quantum physics series. This book has very simple language, as you must be aware of the writing skills of the Sharma. The concept is clear, crystal clear, you can say, the quantum physics. And the one thing you will just notice that you will have some little bit of mathematics like Dirac notations and Kate symbol of the Dirac notation to understand this book. But it is not an obstacle. It is not an obstacle. It has been taken care that if you understand the mathematics of Dirac notation, then it is all well. If you are not aware of very much, the author H.C. will teach you actually. Okay. So this book is very, very interesting books. It is written in the lecture mode. It will appear that H.C. is talking with you actually. So this book is very powerful, very famous. It will become one day. And some other books of quantum physics are not specialized, but in the modern physics, because indeed quantum physics is a section, or you can say subsection of the modern physics. So in the modern physics book, you will always find quantum mechanics. And so, one writer, R. Murugesan, you must be familiar with the writer R. Murugesan. He is also a very creative writer, very creative in the sense that this writer understands the mindset of the reader, mindset of the student actually. So he writes in a very lucid manner with a very clear concept and to the point according to your syllabus, which is described by the UGC. So in modern physics you will find the quantum physics section from the chapter. The first chapter is dedicated for the special theory of relativity, and from the second chapter you will get introduced about the atomic physics, and from the third chapter you will get the quantum mechanics. You can see if you are observing that quantum mechanics. So the part 3, you can say the part 3 is not actually chapter. If you go by the chapter, then it's chapter number 7. And if you go by the part 1, part 2, part 3 as it is written in this book, then it will be found in the part 3 section, quantum as a quantum mechanics. In the another edition, in what you can say in the older edition or in the other next edition, newer edition, it will change the order. But till now it is given in the manner which I have already told you. And the another book is Modern Physics. It is by Arul Das. In this book also you will get modern quantum physics, even the relativity also, even the atomic physics also, even the molecular physics also. So in this book, the first chapter is dedicated to the special theory of relativity, and the second chapter is dedicated to the particle nature of radiation, which is the background of the quantum mechanics. And from the third chapter, it is introduced as atomic models, and from the fourth chapter it is given the quantum concept, wave mechanical concept, and from there most of the chapters dedicated are, you can tell about that it is about the quantum mechanics and its application. So these are the books that can be referred to understand the quantum physics in a very basic level. Another book are also available in the market like Ajay Ghatak. Ajay Ghatak has written the quantum mechanics book for two type of people. Which type of people? Male or female? Not. One people which is very fundamentally introduced by the concept of the quantum mechanics. So in the initial level or in the fundamental level, you can just say that a book has been written as basic quantum mechanics by the Ajay Ghatak for the people who just are introduced to the quantum mechanics. But beware, their discussion are so much far that you will find that undergraduate level courses or syllabus is covered in that book only. And the next book is Advanced Quantum Physics or Mechanics. I am not just very well whether it is written quantum physics or quantum mechanics, but the book is like that, Advanced Quantum Mechanics or Advanced Quantum Physics. I think this book might be here. This book, yes. Just by luck, this book is here. So this is the quantum mechanics theory and application. This book cover, there is cover, so there must be not very much clear. So this book is written by the Ajay Ghatak with Loknath. So this book is very advanced actually. Luckily this book was there, just my mind came to there and it was present there. So these are the books, and other books are also available. Whatever let you understand the concept very clearly and let you imagine the quantum physics, let you understand. You can't understand everything very easily as you must be thinking, but it let you introduce about the concept, about the beauty, about the structure of the universe. So we just hope that this book will help you to understand the quantum mechanics, to enjoy the physics, to enjoy the beauty of nature, how it is created actually. So we will meet in the next time with another books and another topic.